All right, YouTube viewers out there, I have here a 2007 Toyota Corolla. I've been online and haven't seen anything online on a 2007. There's so many different vehicles, but this is a no crank, no start. To put the key in, the lights on the dash go on, but there is no start. Yeah, no start. Went through the ignition switch. Check that ignition switch where is good. The fuses are good. Came to the front of the car. Check the fuses as well that are in the fuse box. They all were good. We used a multimeter for that. Then noticed as I did some more research that down here, right where this light is, in this position right here, I don't know if you can see that, right where that little nut, that nut is right there. That is your neutral switch, safety switch, which is right there. You can kind of see that needle that's right there. I can kind of zoom in right there. You can kind of see it right in see if I can get that shadow right in that position right there. That means it's not engaging in your neutral position. So what I did was I took a 12mm wrench here, stuck it in there, and then turned it to the neutral position, and then that would engage that the car is in the neutral position. Walk to the car. Take the key again, stick it in there again to show you that the car now starts. So if you have a no crank, no start, it could actually be that neutral safety switch that is in your car. That might need to be replaced, and that controls the drive and everything else. So right down there, again, where that light is, yeah, right down there, that area right there is your neutral safety switch relay, and that will engage everything. Yeah, and this is your battery. If you look straight down to your battery, right where where the spotlight is, that's your safety switch right there. All right, hope this helps everybody. It took me about 2 days to figure this out, run through everything, the relays. I even tried to jump the starter relay switch too. So but right there, that's your corporate. So we ordered the part. It's about $200, $300. But yep, if you have anything, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped out. Thanks.